Good evening everyone. I am Darshan from CSC department. Today I am here explain about graphical input data. Introduction to graphical input data. Graphical input data refers to information captured through visual representations. This type of data is crucially for interpreting complex datasets in a more understandable format. Examples include graphs, charts, and images that convey quantitative or qualitative information. Importance of graphical input. Graphical input helps in simplifying complex information and making is visually digestible. It enhances data comparisons and facilitates quicker decision making process. Effective graphical representations can reveal trends and patterns that might be missed in raw data. Types of graphical input data. The most common types include bar graph, pie chart, line graphs, and scatter plots. Each type serves a distinct purpose, showcasing different relationships and variables. Choosing the appropriate type of graphical input and essential for accurate data representation. Tools for creating a graphical input data. A variety of software tools are available for creating graphical input, such as Excel and Tableau. These tools offer functionalities for customization, allowing users to tailor the visual to the needs. Advanced tools can analyze data and generate graphical representation automatically. Best practices for creating graphical input. Clarity is key. Ensure the graphs are easy to read and understand at a glance. Use appropriate scale and labels to accurately convey the data being represented. Consistency is design element such as color and fonts enhance the overall effectiveness of the visual. Common mistake in graphical input. Overloading graphs with too much information can lead to confusion and misdirection. Neglected to label axes or provide legend can render graphs meaningless. Using misleading scales or exaggerated visuals can distort the true nature of the data presented. Application of graphical input data. Graphical input is widely used in business for reporting and presentations. In academia, it aids in the visualization of research findings and statistical data. Other fields such as healthcare and engineering utilize graphical input for analysis and decision making. Trends in graphical input data. The rise of data visualization tools has democratized access to graphical input capabilities. Interactive graphical, which allows user to manipulate data views, are becoming increasingly popular. Real-time and data visualization is now feasible, providing instant insights and updates. Future of graphical input data. The integration of artificial intelligence is expected to enhance graphical input data analysis significantly. Virtual and reality technologies may change how graphically data is presented and interacted with. As data continues to grow, the demand for innovative graphical input solution will also increases. Conclusion: graphical input data plays a vital role in the effective communication of information. Understanding its principle, tools, and application is essential for professionals across various fields. As technologies evolve, the potential for graphical input data will continue to expand, shaping the future of data interpretation. Feel free to modify or expand upon any of sites as needed. Thank you.